Welcome, here I've got Hammer Iron 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera, and the mirror effect is only available to the front. So let's change it by using this button from the right. We can do it easily. So hi again, and from here let's move to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here. And as you can see, here we are in the advanced camera settings, and in the photograph settings at the second position we have the mirror effect. So by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.